getting a error code for the front driver's side ABS system, which of course affects your anti-lock brakes and your traction control and anything to do with speed and brake modulation. So this wire here is the wire that connects to the speed sensor, which is back here. Now most people just replace the entire assembly from down there all the way up, probably inside the car. I'm going to try to avoid that and try to rebuild this wire first, see if that makes any difference. I was able to fix the back wheel by taking this whole assembly and rebuilding it. So we'll see how that goes. I'll solder something together. For the repair, I'm actually, the wire that's in there looks like 14 gauge or maybe 16 or 18 gauge, I'm not sure, but I'm replacing it with an actual extension cord. Same thing I did on the back wheel, and it's worked fine for 2 years. So that's where we are right now, soldering up some wire. Okay, so what I've done is soldered on a new piece of extension cord. This part probably didn't break inside because it's fastened to the engine, to the chassis, so that's probably not where the damage happened. So that's where I'm starting the repair. A new extension cord all the way to the sensor itself. So I'm going to clean that up now and put some heat shrink on there and see how that goes. Here's the finished product for now. So solid line comes down from the engine bay. This part doesn't move, so that's where I think the brake happened, past this line. Extension cord to serve to replace the original one, which looked like this. This was the original. So same kind of angle, cable tied. My cable didn't fit through this grip. By the way, this grip was loose. This had come off the support. So anyway, that's back on now. Cable tied, and then down into the sensor itself. So I'm gonna button her all up and see if she's driving in the Venza. No ABS lights. All good. Probably took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Saved myself $600 or whatever a sensor costs, and chewed up a $3 extension cord. Booyah.